Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're setting up my November content journal in my B5 Tiefossi notebook. This spread helps me plan out my videos and creative projects for the month, while still keeping everything cozy and looking lovely. I designed my own stickers in Canva using the most gorgeous clip art gifted by Liana Scraps from Etsy, and I can't wait to see how it comes together. So grab your journal, your favourite drink, and let's plan November together. Right, I'm going to start on this page. I'm going to do a cover page for November. So let me grab the stickers that I designed. And I designed this big one here. At the end of the video, I'm going to put in a clip of how I designed this sticker. I always start by choosing my colour palette. Warm oranges and neutrals is my palette for this month. This cover page is going to be so easy. It's just this one big sticker. That's all I'm doing on this cover page. I'm just going to stick it directly in the middle of this page, like that. And how beautiful does that look? It's really nice. If you would like to recreate this sticker, watch to the end and I'll show you how I did it. And I'm just going to stick this sticker on this page, and it's just going to be like a list of the main things that I need to do for the month. So I'm just going to put the title at the top of the page. Like this. And if you notice, the font matches the font in the Hello and the November on the cover page. I'm just going to leave that now blank, but I'm probably going to do it like a tick list. I've already set up week 1, but I'm going to do week 2 with you. So this is the spread I did for week 1. And I've put the 2 days at the top there. I've done 2 big long lists for my videos. And then I've got the 7 days of the week. And I've written what I need to do every day in each box, and I've just decorated it with some stickers and some pens, and look how it's turned out. It looks really nice. Really like that spread. I'm going to do week 2 together. First of all, I'm going to do the boxes that I want. So I'm going to take this pen from Temu, and I'm going to do the daily boxes on this page. I will put the sizes on screen for you. On this page, I'm going to do 1 horizontal box and 2 long vertical boxes. You can use these boxes for whatever you want to use them for. I'm going to use 1 for notes and 2 for to-do lists for my videos that I post. This spread helps me organise my YouTube uploads and creative projects for the week. It's a perfect layout for me. Gives me plenty of room to write what I need to write in this journal. Right, let's decorate it now. I'm going to take this sticker, I'm going to put it down in this corner. I'm going to put it here. Now I'm going to take my ink pad and some stamps that I've got. I'm going to stamp the days of the week on the day boxes. I don't know where I got these stamps from, but if you just Google day stamps, you're going to come across them somewhere. Right, that's all the days stamped. It's coming together. Right, I'm going to take this colour pen and I'm going to write in the dates. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. If you enjoy cosy journaling videos, don't forget to subscribe. Right, I'm just going to colour in these letters so they stand out a little bit more. I like how that looks. Right, I'm going to take this sticker now and I'm going to stick this here. I've got a stamp that says notes, so I'm going to stamp this in this top corner of this box here. Right, I'm going to add some more stickers on this page that I've created in Canva. I've done November, week 2, video 1, got some leaves, and video 2. Right, let's add these to this page. I'm going to take this leaf one and I'm going to put it in the corner at the top, going off the page. Like that. I'll just take my scissors and trim what's overhanging the page. Right, now I'm going to add November to the top of this page. I'll put it here. Now I'm going to add week 2 underneath. As I'm using these 2 boxes to track my videos for the week, I'm going to put video 1 and video 2 on the top of each of these boxes. My Tombow marker in 942 and I'm just going to do some little gingham pattern at the top of this page. My pen's nearly running out. I've hardly got any ink left because I love this colour so much. I've used it too much. So I need to buy another one. But I think I've got enough ink to do this. I'm going to do the same just here. That looks nice. That's come together, that spread. I really like it. So that's week 2, week 1, my cover page, my monthly checklist. And that's my November content journal set up, all finished. I'm so happy with how this theme came together. It feels so warm and motivating. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so keep an eye out for my upcoming giveaway. Thank you so much for watching and creating with me. Right, I'm going to show you how I created the sticker. So I'm going to click on create, click on A4 document, designing the sticker on A4 because it was from a B5 journal. So I'm going to click on uploads. If you want to upload files, you'd click on this button, but I've already got loads of files. So I'm going to find what I want and scroll down. I'm going to choose this image. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Right, I'm going to click on edit, click on brush, and I'm going to remove this bit here because I don't want it. I'm going to go over and make the brush a little bit smaller and remove a bit more. This will give me space to put the letters NOV for November. I've still got a little bit there where I need to remove, so I'll remove that bit, go to the top and press delete. Right, that's perfect. So I'll go over here and click on here, and that's ready for me to put my letters. So we'll find the letters. And if you grab the corner and drag in, it will resize them for you. I'll just move them up here for now. Now I'm going to take the O and resize it. I'm going to put it in the middle. And I'm just going to resize the other letters till I'm happy with how it looks. Now I'm going to highlight them letters and group them together, and I'm going to move them into place. That's where I want them. Now I'm going to go over to text. I'm going to add the text box and I'm going to write hello. I'll just make it a bit bigger. I'm going to drag it up here for now. Then I'm going to add another text box. And I'm going to write the word November. I'll make that bigger. Right, I'm going to click on hello, go over to fonts, and I'm going to choose the font Halimum. This one. And that's how I want that one. So I'll do the same with November. Right, I'm going to move hello to where I want it. I'll make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to do the same with November. I'm going to just move it around until I get it into place how I want it. I'm going to click on the hello. I'm going to change it to the colour. As you can see here, all the colours for the images are there. I'm going to choose this one and change it to that colour. Click on November and do the same. Now I'm going to highlight the lot of it and group it together. And now I'm going to turn it and drag it to the top of the page. And then that leaves me some more room to create some more stickers if I want to. Have a look in the description box and you will find some discount codes and everything that I've used in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.